So basically when you're making this dish, to make sure that this gravy has gotten into it, that's what gives the brinjal its flavor. So begun basanti, or this is a Bengal special dish. So definitely
begun basanti.
Acha,
Another puja special, which is a Niramish dish. Okay. There's no onion, no garlic, absolutely nothing. It goes very fast. I have already fried the brinjal. Cut it like this lengthwise. Put some salt and turmeric and just deep fry it. That's all.
Okay. So all the Bengalis, take a note. If you are looking for a special dish for your puja this time, this is a great addition.
And it goes very well with pulaus, or basanti pulao, or even plain rice.
Great. So basanti means what?
The color basanti. That's
in English, so it's the
saffron.
Saffron.
That color basanti.
Color. Okay, great. So let's see the next steps.
Okay, now that you need this is a main dish, main ingredient to this. I have used 2 tablespoons of black mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds. I have taken a handful of coconut, fresh coconut, and I have put 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, that's khash.
Okay.
And 2 green chilies. That depends on how hot, like spicy you want it.
And then how did you get this liquidy thing? Water?
Nothing, I just soaked it in water and ground it in the mixie.
Ground it with the water.
With
great,
the mixie.
Great.
But
So
don't
this
put
is
too
the
much water.
consistency
Yes.
You'll get. Okay. Fine.
Now
Next step.
I will need a little bit of curd that I will show you later. Okay. So we start our recipe.
We're starting now, so you can just follow from now onwards and keep those 2 things ready.
Yes, my oil is already hot. I'm using mustard oil. A little extra oil you need for this. I'm putting kalonji or
Kala jeera.
Kala jeera.
Black jeera.
Once I put that in, I put in a little, about half teaspoon of salt.
Half teaspoon salt, okay.
Half teaspoon of haldi powder, and just 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. I have already got green chilies here, so that is why in the paste. Fry this, and then you put in your mustard paste.
So those who are not Bengali, this paste, mustard paste, poppy seed one, generally creates a very tangy feeling, the one that you get from wasabi when you've had for the first time. So if you're having poppy seed for the first time, just not to scare you, it's very beautiful flavor. Bengalis love it, but they're used to it. So just to make you aware.
It's got a little pungent flavor, but there's a very typical flavor. Which the Bengalis just love it.
If you're swirling around, then it's coming in the camera.
Okay.
From the side.
You need to fry this up.
It's on low flame.
Okay. I'll put in a little water, very little. Just maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons.
That is just plain gravy.
To give it a gravy. And now I'm going to put in this is curd with some sugar. I have put about a teaspoon. This is a little tangy, sweety sort of flavor it will have. And cook it nicely. I'm just putting in some water with the curd. That's all. It's done. Let it cook a little.
So this is it. Our gravy is kind of done. We just need this to cook a little bit. This would be about a minute.
A minute.
About after a minute.
Yes. And now I put in the brinjals into it. I cook it into this gravy.
might you put your hand around, that's all that I can show.
Put in some green chilies.
The flavor can be defined as sweet, sour,
Tangy.
and a little chili hot. These three flavors.
And you will get the flavor of the mustard.
Huh. So this is how our final dish looks, nice and yummy. I can't share the flavor with you through the camera. I wish I could, but definitely I'd say give it a try. I'd say mom has a specialty in terms of a few dishes. This would be one of those. So do give it a try, and I'm pretty certain most of you will become like huge fans of this dish after some time. So definitely try it and tell us how it went. If you need any help, please comment below. Mom is more than happy to help. And please subscribe and share with your friends who would like to try some easy Bengali recipes, or we have a few snacks and other kinds of recipes too, but all of them are easy and beginner friendly. Little bit of shoot for the food. Yeah. There you go. See, nice and juicy. So basically when you're making this dish, to make sure that this gravy has gotten into it, that's what gives the brinjal its flavor. So begun basanti, or this is a Bengal special dish. So definitely give it a try and tell us how it went.